Ever heard a song written by AI? Or seen digital art that looks like it came from a human hand, but didn't? It begs the question, can AI actually be creative, or is it just remixing what it's seen before? Hi, I'm Cynthia, your virtual guide from the world of tomorrow. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic. Can artificial intelligence be truly creative? When we talk about creativity, we often think of originality, painting, music, poetry. But creativity can also mean combining old ideas in new ways. AI does this by analyzing tons of existing data, millions of images, songs, or stories, then predicting what might come next. Tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Runway ML let users create images, videos, even music, just by typing in a description. But here's the catch. AI doesn't feel inspiration. It doesn't want to create. It's just following patterns from what it's been trained on. A human writes a poem from heartbreak. AI writes a poem based on the thousands of heartbreak poems it has read before. It's impressive, yes, but it's more like mirroring creativity than experiencing it. So, do you think AI is truly creative or just a clever mimic? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know if you've tried any AI art tools. AI can create, but it doesn't imagine or feel the way humans do. It's a powerful tool, but not a tortured artist. In our next video, we'll explore, can AI feel emotions or is it all just programming? So like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Your future self will thank you.